Robert. We're here at PCIM 2026, and I understand you've been CEO for a year now. How's the journey been so far?
We accomplished a lot. I mean, last year, pretty much, look, the company had $7 billion of debt. Yeah, we went through a massive debt restructuring, but also really focused on technology leadership. Right? You can see good examples at our booth, and I think I'm really, really glad with the progress we've made.
Very exciting. There's been a lot that's happened in a short amount of time in our industry, and you've now been at Wolfspeed for a year, as I said earlier. Do you have any reflections on your first year as CEO?
I think, look, it's really amazing team what we have at Wolfspeed here, and without them it wouldn't have been possible to achieve what we did, right? I mean, if you see kind of what we have at our booth at PCM is a new generation of technology, a leading solid-state transformer company here demoing a joint system, and also we've announced on Monday the high voltage part, 10 kilovolt with GE Aerospace. I think really, really shows kind of we are back from a technology side. I think this is also what's really important, that customers, partners in ecosystem really see kind of what we've done in the last year.
Wolfspeed also demonstrated 300 millimeter silicon carbide wafers, and I've spoken to your CTO Elif recently about these large wafer diameters and what they mean for advanced packaging. So what's your expectation for 300 millimeter?
I think this is opening up a very new application space, right? I mean, you see the unique properties of silicon carbide, its thermal conductance and also the optical properties. And the thermal conductance is very, very interesting for the guys architecting the future AI data center systems. And here 300 millimeter is paramount because you have these large interposers, huge squares. Yeah, you could probably only do one per like 200 millimeter wafer, right? And it's not very economically efficient, so that's why 300 millimeter is key. And we are engaged with all of the ecosystem partners to really look into what does it take to get silicon carbide implemented as an interposer.
Okay, so beyond wafers, can you talk to me about voltage nodes that Wolfspeed is releasing and how you're prioritizing where you invest?
I think we have the whole range of voltage nodes, right? The highest one which we commercially announced is 10 kilovolt, but also really a sweet spot for the solid-state transformer is like 2.3 and 3.3 kilovolt, and this is really unique. If you see kind of who else is playing in the space, there are very, very few companies who are able to do this type of voltage node, plus also the corresponding module technologies.
Thank you so much for your time, Robert. Thank you for sitting with me. There's a lot happening at Wolfspeed, and very excited to talk with you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.